Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to try out another one of my drugstore eyeshadow palettes, and this one today is the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. Now as you can see, this palette is very pretty with some gorgeous purple shades in here, and let me go ahead and open it up. I purchased mine from Walmart for about $9.99, I believe. I think it's available at Ulta possibly for about $14.99, so you might want to check Walmart first to get a better deal. But yes, I did actually purchase mine from Walmart for $9.99, and the colors in here are just absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm not doing a total in-depth review of this palette today because I know it's been out for a little while now and there's a million reviews on this palette. I just wanted to try it out and use it today. So I did go ahead and use quite a few of the shades in this palette. Now my first impression thoughts on this palette is that you do have to build up the matte shades quite a bit to get the pigment to really pop. The color is there, but you do have to take your time and build it up, which I don't always mind because sometimes when you go in with too much color and too much pigment, it can get out of hand quickly. So I didn't really mind doing that with this palette today. Now this shade here, Crushing, was a bit crushing and disappointing to me when I used it today. It wasn't very pigmented on my eyelids. Now on someone of maybe more fair complexion, or if you use a really bright white base, this orange shade might show up a bit better. On me, it didn't really show up much at all. I did use it underneath my eyebrows, right in my, brow bone area, and it really didn't show up for me. So I am a bit disappointed in that because I was really looking forward to using that shade. Now these two shimmer shadows here, what is it? Grape Pop and Cherry Cola, gorgeous. I used those on my lid today and they applied very nicely, no problems. Sprayed my brush and they went on very easily. So I really like those shadows. This one here, Cherry on Top, gorgeous magenta, deep burgundy type shade. I really love that. It's gorgeous. This shade here is really nice to deepen the outer crease. It worked very nicely for me. But like I said, I did have to go in and build the shadows up. Now, I'm really looking forward to using this shadow here, which is Blue Raspberry. I have this shade here in my inner corner, and I believe it showed up very nicely today. All I did was just spray my brush a little, and it did pop nicely. So I used quite a few shadows from this palette, and overall, I'm not disappointed at all. For a drugstore palette, it's okay. It's not bad for the price. I don't know if I'd have paid $14.99 for it. I might not be too happy because, if you catch a good Juvia's Place sale, you can get one of her palettes for about 15, 16 bucks, and the pigment in those is amazing. So to pay about 15 or 16 bucks for this, I don't think it's worth it. $9.99 at Walmart, yeah, okay. Knock yourself out. But just those are my initial overall thoughts on this palette. If you would like to stick around and check out how I created this look on my eyelids today, then stay tuned because it's coming up next.